Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best 4K TVs on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Sony X90K. The Sony X90K presents a compelling option for those with a substantial budget who don't necessarily require a high-end OLED screen. As Sony's near-flagship LCD TV, the X90K series offers impressive performance, all while maintaining a reasonable price point. It benefits from a full-array LED backlight with local dimming, ensuring deep black levels, and its LCD panel incorporates quantum dots for enhanced brightness and color accuracy. In the audio department, the X90K shines as well. The acoustic multi-audio feature employs separate tweeters situated on the top left and right sides of the TV, resulting in above-average sound quality. It consistently delivers clear dialogue and even spatial effects, particularly with Dolby Atmos soundtracks. While investing in a dedicated soundbar system can provide superior audio quality, the X90K's built-in speakers perform admirably in the interim, offering an enjoyable audio experience. Number 2. LG G2. If price is not a concern, and you are seeking the ultimate TV regardless of cost, then the LG G2 OLED should be at the top of your list. The OLED 65 G2 leverages its enhanced brightness to make virtually every frame from any source look even more breathtaking than any LG OLED that came before it. Despite sharing the gallery design name with its GX and G1 predecessors, the G2 OLED boasts a completely different appearance. It ditches the dark frame and chamfered edges, instead opting for a stylish two-layer design. A thin black rear slab sits slightly proud and narrower than a chunkier front tire, which houses the screen within an elegant and luxurious silver metal casing. This TV sets new standards in terms of both performance and aesthetics. Number 3. Samsung's 90 coulombs. The 90 coulombs marks Samsung's initial endeavor to make its groundbreaking QD-OLED technology, which was initially introduced in 2022, more accessible without compromising on quality, and fortunately, it largely accomplishes that goal. While it may not be as bright as the company's flagship's 95 coulombs, this 90 coulombs still delivers a fantastic and vibrant picture characterized by rich detail and deep blacks. Although the LG G3 offers a brighter picture, both it and this 95 coulombs come at a considerably higher price point compared to this 90 coulombs. As a result, this 90 coulombs provides an outstanding viewing experience without exceeding your budget, making it a compelling choice for those who value quality and affordability. Number 4. TCL QM8 Class. TCL's QM8 Class 4K TVs represent the company's flagship offerings for 2023, and they stand out as the sole mini-LED TVs in TCL's lineup for this year. Notably, the QM8 Class is available in an impressive range of screen sizes, with some models stretching all the way up to a massive 98 inches. These TVs boast higher peak light output compared to TCL's previous mini-LED models, enabling them to compete effectively with similarly featured but more expensive models from renowned brands. The QM8 Class excels in the realm of local dimming, and its robust picture processing capabilities ensure seamless upscaling of standard-aged images. Additionally, these TVs offer exceptional performance when it comes to motion handling and noise reduction, delivering an all-around impressive viewing experience. Number 5. Samsung's 95 coulombs. Samsung's QD-OLED TV represents a groundbreaking fusion of OLED's self-emissive properties and the brightness and color range potential of QLED technology. The result is a TV that not only delivers exceptional picture quality, but also boasts remarkable brightness, approximately 70% brighter than the LG C2, along with superior black levels and contrast compared to non-OLED displays. In our review, we noted that with a bit of fine-tuning, it offers a unique combination of brightness, black depth, contrast, and color that has not been seen before on a home TV, truly something special. The TV is equipped with 4 HDMI ports, all of which support 4K at 120 Hz, variable refresh rate, and automatic low latency mode switching features. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.